Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. Today is 19th of March. So what a day guys, what a day. As you can see from the thumbnail, today Nifty crashed, okay? And if you have not seen my yesterday video that how I saved myself from fake Nifty breakout, okay, using ADX indicator, please do watch that, okay? Because that is something which saved me going into the wrong position. Okay, so today if you would have seen your Demat account after coming back from the office, you would have seen everything in sea of red. Okay, so take a deep breath. You're not alone. Okay, it's a scenario which is being faced by each and every Indian investor. Okay, so let's quickly start with our today's video. All right. So there are four major reasons for market crash today. Okay, so one is the oil shock. Okay, so Brent crude, okay, which is critical for our India market, that has breached the psychological level of $100 per barrel. Okay, due to the attack by US and Israel on Gulf energy infrastructure, followed by the Iran. Okay, so that's why we can see that Nifty 50 dropped by 766 points, okay, in a single day. That is almost around 3.5%. Okay, okay, sorry, so that is almost 3.5%. Okay, and second major issue was HDFC Bank crisis. So like we discussed in today's pre-market analysis video, okay, HDFC Bank in US market was showing almost 7% crash, okay, which is almost around 52-week low. Okay, I think some of the major figure in HDFC Bank board, he has resigned due to some I think ethical issues, and which is leading this HDFC Bank crisis. Okay, then third reason is FIS selling. So I think I would not say this is a consistent issue because FIS are selling Indian market from past couple of months. Okay, so last but not the least, US Fed rate. Okay, so yesterday, like we discussed in our yesterday video as well as in today's pre-market session, that US Fed decision came yesterday late night, and they held the rate steady. Okay, so they have not reduced the rate, due to which you can also see there will be a drop in gold prices. Okay, so I will cover that in our next slide. Okay, but these were the four major reasons due to which our market crashed. So out of this four major reason, I would say three was the major factor. One was oil shock, it is exceeding $100. Then HDFC Bank crashed because HDFC Bank holds the major weightage in our index. Okay, and then US Fed rate. Okay, so this is our heat map. As you can see, like I mentioned, guys, you are not alone. Out of 50 Nifty 50 stocks, okay, only ONGC was in green, rest everything was red. But this is this will give us a good opportunity to pick blue chip stock, okay, at fair valuation. So do your analysis. If you think that particular blue chip stock is satisfying your criteria of investment, okay, take some time for that and then do the investment. Personally, for me, I will be going ahead for HDFC Bank and M&M, okay, and then where is that, ICC Bank. Because guys, my personal view on this is that, okay, banking sector is not something which should have been impacted by the increase in oil prices to that level. But once war stops, okay, so banking sector will be the first one to rebound, and this is where I will be betting my money on, which is major private banking sector. The last one is M&M. Okay, so I think growth story of M&M is something which is closer to my heart as well. Okay, it is diversified investment in agriculture, commercial vehicle, passenger vehicle. Okay, which will play a crucial role map for M&M in decades to come. Okay, I'm a long-term investor, so this is what I will be doing the accumulation. Okay. Okay, let's moving on to the next slide, which is our global indicator. So as you can see, guys, that Dow Jones is negative, and then gold has dropped by 6%. Okay, so I think if it is reached to a valid level, then it's a good time to add gold in your portfolio to create a hedge. Okay, and as we already discussed, the Brent crude oil is under $10. Okay, Nifty 50 is recovering a bit. I think 23,993. So since our market is being sold continuously for almost a week, I will be expecting some consolidation because 23,000 is a critical support level. Okay, and accordingly I will also derive my strategy. So USD INR finally it has breached its level of 93 rupees. So even though we have AI issues happening, but this falling of rupee will definitely help our IT companies. Okay, then as you can see, ICICI Bank ADR is positive in US market. HDFC Bank ADR is still negative. Okay, so and even I think if we go over here. All right. Even HDFC Infosys ADR is also positive. I think it's not shown over here, but it is positive. All right. So moving on to the price action analysis. So guys, this was a level which we discussed yesterday. No, so I think today morning as well. That exactly from 23,000 market has bounced back. Okay, and you can see these levels I had drawn from past 1 week, and it is respecting perfectly fine. So I'm expecting some of the short covering happening on Friday because nobody wanted to carry forward their position over the weekend due to the war-like scenario. So we can expect market to again rebound to around 23,250. Okay, so closer near to around 50 EMA. Okay, so that will be time to create a new position for me, which I will discuss in the next slide. Okay, moving back to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I think it has reached my level of 53,500 below. Okay, and I'm expecting sharper recovery in Bank Nifty as against the Nifty. Okay, so I think this is something which we need to wait and watch. So closer it gets to the 50 EMA, which is around 55,000. Okay, that will be the position. I think opportunity for me to create a option strategy. Okay, so as of now, I'm holding my open position for the Bank Nifty. Okay, which I will discuss in my next slide. All right. Okay, so open interest analysis. So as we can see that PCR is still at 0.69, okay, which highlights that worst is not yet over. We are still in bearish zone, but as you can see, we are having a huge support at 23,000. Okay, so I'm expecting that something which will go around 23,350 tomorrow because people will start booking profit after huge fall, including me. Okay, so that will also create us some sort of short covering, and that will be the next opportunity to enter the market. Okay, all right. So moving to the next slide. So FI and DI data, there is nothing new, guys. Again, FI today they have sold 7,500 crores in cash. DIIs has, as always, they are supporting our market. So that is due to our SEP, which we are continuing in our mutual funds. All right. So this is my today's profit. So yesterday, I was in loss of around I think 6,800 something. Okay, and I have already given you the insight using ADX. Okay, how I took a decision to hold my short position. Okay, if you have not seen my video, please go ahead and check that video. Okay, I will try to tag it into the comment section as well as link into the video. Okay, so I will take a pause here, guys, and I would like to request you guys to subscribe to my channel if you are new to it, and if you're liking my content and learning. Okay, let's continue. So this Nifty position I have closed. So I think somewhere around I have used 1.6 lakh capital to get 4,600 profit. It's roughly around 3.5 or 3.8% profit. Bank Nifty position is still open. Okay, because it has not hit my target profit of around 3%, and I still see market is in bearish zone even though this short covering will be there. I think since it's a monthly option contract, I can hold it for the Monday position as well. Okay, but nonetheless, I think I since I have closed my Nifty position, I will be creating another position tomorrow, which is a double candle spread. So if you have not seen my videos, please just scroll back to a couple of days back the video where I was experimenting upon a double candle spread on simulation in simulation front. So I think that was pretty successful, and since I'm expecting market to remain range bound, I will be deploying this strategy once Nifty reaches around 23,350. Okay, so this is something my position which I will deploy once Nifty is around 23,250 or 300. Okay, and because I'm expecting it to remain range bound. Okay, that's my expectation, and depending upon end of Friday, I think I will carry forward it to Monday. Okay, so which will give me the decay. Okay, so it will be a quick buck earning due to because 23,000 is a strong support level, and there will be a tussle between bear and bulls around this level. So this is a perfect opportunity to create a double calendar. That's my analysis. So disclaimer, guys, this is my strategy. Okay, please don't blindly copy it. Okay, please do your thorough analysis and talk to your financial advisor. Okay, and accordingly make the wiseful decision. Okay, I'm just a simple IT guy who's trying to share my thought process and my strategies, how I'm managing the trades by working as well as managing the trading part time. Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. Don't be don't be panicked. Okay, now pick your long-term stocks. Now is a good opportunity to accumulate the blue chip stocks. Do the thorough analysis, check the P ratio, and keep doing your SIP and keep invested. Okay, thank you for now. See you tomorrow in the morning then. Bye bye for now.